But my next guest says, hey, investors can come along for the ride. I want to bring in Walser Wealth Management President Rebecca Walser. All right, Rebecca, before we even get into why you like Tesla here, I want to go back. This market, the rally has been impressive. What do you think your overall feeling about the rally?
Well, I think we have a long runway for the fourth industrial revolution, Charles, so I think that's fine. But I am, obviously, you probably know, I'm not one for a big accommodation on the Federal Reserve to make the rally happen. I think it needs to happen organically.
But it's going to happen.
It will happen organically, yes.
It's going to happen with the Fed as well. The Fed
Absolutely, yes.
So take what the Fed's giving us.
Don't fight the Fed, as they say, but at the same time, I want organic growth that's sustainable and not going to create more of an interest problem for us.
Let's talk about Tesla. Musk made that major buy recently, although considering how much he's got, maybe it was cushion cash for him. But you say more than EVs, robotaxi, Optimus. Don't forget EV battery, what they're doing there, and the Trump situation, right? Of course, we saw him and President Trump embrace at the Charlie Kirk's funeral. Mm-hmm. Target 500, that's by the end of this year?
Well, it's aggressive, obviously, but I think that the people that were poo-pooing Tesla earlier in the year were premature, and I wouldn't ever bet against Musk. He's just one of those people that has such a strategic vision of where we're headed with the fourth industrial revolution, and, I wouldn't bet against him. So I think...
Speaking of the fourth industrial revolution, it needs power.
Yes.
Oklo, I've had the CEO on at least once, maybe twice.
Yes.
Had a big spike I think either yesterday or late last week. Renewable energy, first nuclear reaction happening, major cash reserves. So, I guess the only thing I would say is it's made a huge move already, but you think this is a longer-term play. This is not a flash in the pan.
Well, first of all, we need to talk about the fact that we are writing AI checks that the energy can't cash. And so we need nuclear energy. We need clean energy. This is going to have a nuclear reactor they expect to be ready 27 to 28. So, yes, I think that new energy is absolutely imperative. They're at 565% year to date, Charles. So, yes, it's a great one. And it's not too late because it's newer.
I love new names.
Yes. I know.
I've never heard of Netscape.
No.
Brother. Okay.
Yeah, new IPO.
Oh, I promised the folks who listen on Sirius I'd start sharing these symbols. NTSK, folks. Why do you like it?
Well, cybersecurity, strong revenue growth. They're in 30 of the Fortune 100, so they have a really great breadth already represented. And they absolutely are 10x revenue, and they're trading at a discount to peers. So we think that it's a breakout, and it's going to be good, and it's a new IPO, so you can get it, and it's still cheap.
All right, and from the Ron Papelli School, and there's more. Figure technology.
Yes.
I've seen the symbol come across the tape, and I know it's been pretty exciting, but I don't know anything about it.
This is blockchain meets consumer finance, right? And so we're talking about home equity loans that can be done within 10 days, which is 40 versus 42 days industry standard. So this is the new way forward, Charles. It's the new way to basically borrow on the blockchain, and it's got a major upside, and obviously just IPO'd. It's a recent new IPO as well.
You've been a fan of blockchain for a long time.
Yes.
Right? The blockchain, stable coin, where we're going in terms, particularly we have to go there, right? Essentially where our debt levels are, we have to find a way as a nation. And you think blockchain and stablecoin are going to play a role?
Yeah, and I love how Trump comes in and says no central bank CDBC, but stablecoins are going to be backed up one-to-one so people can have the ability to trust in them, even though it's not an actual federal institution. So stablecoins, the Genius Act, making that one-to-one reserve relationship, this is going to be kind of the new way we move off of paper currency, to be honest.
And again, for our serious listeners, FIGR is the symbol. Rebecca, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it so much. All right, folks, coming up later.